How to download Microsoft Flight Simulator 40th Anniversary Edition on PC. So if you want to download Microsoft Flight Simulator 40th Anniversary Edition on your PC, then first you need to open up your browser and you need to simply search for the game. Once you search for it, now you just need to simply scroll down and you will have the Steam store. So just click on it and it will take you to this kind of interface. So you just need to simply scroll down and you will have an option of add to cart. So you just need to simply go with add to cart right here. Or if you have the application, then you can just open up your application also. So just go with add to cart, go with view my cart, and from here you can simply choose the game that you would like to download and just go with continue to payment, which is on the right side. And you need to sign into your Steam to download or pay for the game. So you just need to simply go and sign into your Steam. And once you sign into your Steam, then it will take you to the payment method. And once you've added your payment method, you will have the download option right here, which will be right here, and you can download and play the game. So that's how you can download your Microsoft Flight Simulator. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.